Okay guys, welcome. This is my Dell in this box here. Okay, let's take out what's in here. We have a stand. A little screw at the bottom there to fix. We have the main unit. Grabbing the sides like that. It's actually very heavy. And at the back, got this leg here. Which then you put the stand and then tighten up this screw. Okay, there you go, 27 inch. It's got this little flap here which I believe is keeping the webcam that would pop up, that's keeping that in. Now in the box we've got a power lead, the other part of the power lead. And then we've got another box which is the keyboard and mouse. Dell's stuff is always black generally, so you have a mouse there, pull that and it will connect. The battery, there's also a little dongle in there, USB dongle, the battery for the keyboard and mice. And then underneath that we have Dell's keyboard. So there you go, that's the unboxing. And if you look in the description below, you'll find all the specifications on this particular model. And if you have any queries, you've got one yourself, or you've had one and what you think, please comment below.